compact and useful, these two simple terms are enough to define EDC gadgets. They can be your way to stay ready for the struggles of daily life. Also, in case of emergencies. That brings us to today's video of the coolest EDC gadgets that are worth buying. The updated price and the purchase links are provided in the video description for your convenience. Let us get started. The Harnds HK2024 Eggplant Fixed Blade Knife looks exactly as the name suggests. Choose from the D2 steel blade with a G10 handle or the N690 steel blade with a sleek carbon fiber handle, both offering a plain edge for various cutting tasks. Key features of the HK2024 include jimping on the spine for superior grip and control during precise cuts, and versatile holes in the blade for weight reduction, secure handling, and customization. The full tang construction ensures a solid, one-piece design that adds durability and strength, making it ideal for tough tasks. For added convenience, the knife includes a paracord lanyard, making it easily accessible and ready for action when you need it. Whether you're tackling outdoor chores or everyday jobs, the Harnds HK2024 is built to perform, with a design that combines both functionality and style. The Yink pills can fulfill your daily charging requirement without the bulk in your pocket. This stylish and lipstick-sized power bank packs a 5,000 mAh battery with a 22.5 watt output, delivering impressive charging speed for all your essential electronics. One of its standout features is the rotating folding tail plug, which adapts to different charging angles, making it super convenient in any scenario. Lightweight and portable, the Yink pills even doubles as a phone stand, perfect for hands-free entertainment or video calls. Outdoor enthusiasts will love the lanyard design, which allows for secure attachment to bags or belts for on-the-go convenience. With options for both Type-C and Lightning ports and a choice of 2 colors, you can pick the version that suits your gear best. Plus, it includes a fast-charging cable, ensuring you're always on your A-game. The Libary SK05, compact yet powerful flashlight with impressive versatility. This 4-in-1 tool is packed with floodlight, spotlight, side light, and even a power bank mode, all operated through a clever one-fingertip control system. Built with both personal and professional users in mind, the SK05 Pro delivers a blinding 3060 lumens, while the SK05 offers a solid 2250 lumens, both with remarkable beam ranges of 405 and 370 meters, respectively. This flashlight isn't just about lighting though. It doubles as a 20-watt power bank, meaning it can keep your phone charged while you're out and about. The ergonomic design features well-placed grooves for a comfortable grip, with a lockout mode to prevent accidental activation. Add in the IP68 waterproofing and stainless steel clip for secure attachment, and this device is built to withstand any adventure. And with quick 2-hour Type-C charging, it's ready to go when you are. The Screwmaster is a handy addition to any EDC kit, merging style and utility in a compact titanium and brass lanyard bead that does much more than it appears. This Kickstarter-backed tool holds a hidden bit driver, making it a stealthy screwdriver for on-the-go fixes, whether it's adjusting loose screws or opening a package. Its magnetic bit holder securely stores a 1/4 inch bit, ensuring it's ready when you are. With options to wear it as a pendant, attach it to a keychain, or hang it on a tool, the Screwmaster fits seamlessly into any setup. Designed with 4 tritium slots for low-light visibility and a glass breaker for emergencies, it's both functional and potentially life-saving. For a bit of fun, its magnetic design even serves as a fidget tool. With various reward tiers, backers on Kickstarter can snag this innovative piece, complete with add-ons like paracord and a D-ring. The Screwmaster is a practical, durable, and stylish EDC essential. The Alpaca Hub Zip Pocket can be a great pouch for everyday carry, combining durability and practicality in a compact design. Made from weatherproof 300D recycled fabric, this versatile pouch comes in 4 stylish colors: black, army green, blue, and sage gray. It features a YKK self-locking zipper to keep your items secure, with 3 organized storage zones: a spacious front pocket for bulkier items, a magnetic slip pocket for smaller objects, and a slim rear slot for flat items. The magnetic pocket is lined with high-visibility orange 210D ripstop fabric, making it easy to find your essentials. Plus, it's compatible with the Hub ecosystem, allowing you to attach it to various Hub accessories like clips and carabiners for added convenience. The Arkfeld Pro Flat EDC flashlight brings a new level of versatility to your everyday carry kit with its compact 3-in-1 design. This sleek flat flashlight offers a powerful 1300 lumen white light, a 900 megawatt UV light, and a Class 3R green laser, making it adaptable for a wide range of daily uses. For practical tasks, the white light's brightness covers all your basic illumination needs, while the green laser works great for presentations or as a playful distraction for pets. But the UV light is where the Arkfeld Pro really shines, aiding in everything from locating tough-to-spot stains and pet urine to ensuring cleanliness. Constructed from premium aluminum with an IPX7 waterproof rating, it's built to handle rough situations. The user-friendly circular selector switch makes toggling between modes easy, and a 1500 mAh lithium polymer battery gives it a reliable, long runtime. The Zen Modular EDC tool offers a fully customizable and compact toolkit without clutter. Precision CNC machined, Zen allows you to handpick tools to suit your specific needs, whether it's for quick fixes, on-the-go adjustments, or small projects. Its modular design enables you to swap in the tools you use most, and it's easy to operate with one hand, perfect when you're balancing tasks or moving around. The secure locking mechanism provides solid safety, ensuring each tool stays firmly in place while in use, giving peace of mind as you work. Plus, the removable pocket clip gives you flexibility on how you carry it, adapting to pockets, bags, or even keychains as needed. Lightweight, sleek, and highly adaptable, Zen is crafted for those who appreciate efficiency and versatility in their everyday carry gear, delivering reliability without taking up valuable pocket space. The Baseline bolt-action pen from Big Idea Design is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a durable, affordable EDC pen crafted from high-quality materials. Made entirely from solid metal, this pen comes in your choice of Grade 2 titanium, brass, or copper, each available in stone-washed, DLC black, or raw finishes. The Baseline's compact size, just 11 millimeters in diameter and 116 millimeters in length, makes it pocket-friendly without compromising on grip or functionality. Equipped with a patented reversible pocket clip, this pen is easy to carry and accommodates both right and left-handed users seamlessly. Its Parker-style refill compatibility means you can load it with a range of ink styles, from gel and rollerball to the iconic Fisher Space Pen refill, adding versatility to your everyday carry. The Crkt Nucleus, an EDC knife inspired by Japanese sci-fi, specifically the Gundam series and the mecha genre. Designed by Princeton Wong, the Nucleus stands out with its angular contours and offers a choice of opening methods: thumb slot, front flipper, or standard flipper, to suit a range of preferences. This knife comes in 2 versions. Version 1 features a high-performance Magna-cut steel blade, titanium handle, and carbon fiber inlays, while version 2 offers a 12C27 steel blade, stainless handle, and bold Damascus red G10 inlays. Both measure 7.3 inches overall with a 3.2-inch blade, making them a compact yet capable tool for daily tasks. Unique design details like symmetrical bolsters that conceal the frame lock, precise mechanical notching, and a cyberpunk-inspired pocket clip add to the Nucleus's appeal. The Orbitkey Key Organizer. Leather combines elegance and functionality for anyone looking to streamline their everyday carry. Crafted from high-quality, top-grain leather, this key organizer features a sleek black design complemented by subtle black stitching and a protective finish that enhances its durability. Designed to accommodate keys with a keyhole greater than 4 millimeters in diameter and shorter than 67 millimeters, it effectively keeps your keys secure while preventing scratches on your phone and other valuables. Whether you're carrying house keys, car keys, or small accessories, the Orbitkey key organizer ensures everything stays neatly organized and easily accessible. Its minimalist aesthetic not only looks sophisticated, but also promotes a clutter-free pocket or bag.